Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2012 Ford Mustang and I will show you which fuses to check in case your headlights are not working. This video will apply to 5th generation of Mustangs made from 2010 all the way up to 2014. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. All the main fuses will be located in a small fuse box in the passenger's cabin next to the passenger's right foot. So first what you want to do, you want to remove this black cover by pulling it towards yourself. Then you will get access to the actual fuse box cover. Now first I will show you, on top of this cover you have a small fuse diagram. To remove the cover you have two black tabs, one here, one on the opposite side. So you want to press those tabs and pull the cover towards yourself. And one more handy thing, on the back side of the cover you have a small fuse puller. Okay, now first two fuses to check will be fuses number 7 and 8. So this is fuse number 7, this red one responsible for power to left low beam headlamp. And fuse number 8 just above it, responsible for power to right low beam headlamp. So these two are for your low beams. In case high beams are not working, you want to check fuse number 23, which is a 15 amp blue fuse located here. In case your Mustang is equipped with HID headlights, then you have to check two more fuses in the fuse box under the front hood. So I will show you those now as well. So like I mentioned, those two fuses will be in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is right here on the passenger side. To remove this cover you just have to press this black tab and lift it up. Again, on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram. So I will mention one more time, this only applies in case you have HID headlights. This vehicle doesn't have them, but if yours does, you will have two fuses located right here at slots number 26 left side, so driver side HID headlight, and 27 passenger side. And that's it. In case all of the fuses are good, then you will have to dig a bit deeper. First, of course, you want to make sure all of the light bulbs are good. Then you want to check the wiring, all the connections, and you want to make sure that the headlight switch is operational as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.